What if the moon disappeared? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what if the moon just vanished? No explosion, no warning. One moment it's there, shining proudly, the next poof, gone. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But if that actually happened, our world would change in ways that are both fascinating and terrifying. Before we delete the moon from existence, let's rewind 4.5 billion years. Back when Earth was still young, a Mars-sized rock, let's call it the big bad space bully, slammed into our planet. The collision was so intense that pieces of Earth flew into space, melted, and fused together. Over time, gravity sculpted those fiery leftovers into our beloved moon. So yes, technically, the moon is Earth's long-lost chunk, just floating nearby like an ex who never really left. Fast forward to today. The moon isn't just pretty to look at, it's basically our planet's unpaid assistant. It controls tides, stabilizes Earth's tilt, and even influences animal behavior. Without it, life as we know it would slowly fall apart, starting with the nights. The first thing you'd notice? Darkness. And not just, oh, it's cloudy tonight? Dark. We're talking can't see your own hands dark. The moon reflects sunlight, lighting up our nights. Without it, stargazers would cheer, but everyone else would bump into furniture. Romantic moonlit walks? Gone. Werewolves? Out of work. And sea turtles that rely on moonlight to find the ocean would be completely lost, literally. Then the oceans would start acting weird. Right now, the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's water, creating tides. Without it, tides would shrink to about 1/3 of their current size. No more huge waves, no more surfing glory, just flat, lazy water. But for marine life, that's catastrophic. Many creatures depend on the rhythm of tides to feed or breed. Without it, ecosystems would collapse faster than your Wi-Fi during a storm. But here's the real kicker, Earth's tilt. The moon keeps our planet stable at a nice, cozy 23.5 degrees. Remove it, and Earth would wobble like a spinning top running out of steam. Some centuries might bring extreme summers and freezing winters. Others might have barely any seasons at all. Imagine a world where the Sahara suddenly gets snow and Canada grows palm trees. Weather forecasts would basically become science fiction. And that's not even the end of it. The moon also acts as a brake for Earth's rotation. It's slowly making our days longer, by just a few milliseconds each century. Without that gravitational tug, Earth could start spinning faster. Days might get shorter and your already too early alarm clock. Even worse. We'd have to redesign calendars, adjust satellites, and probably invent Monday 2.0. Meanwhile, the planet would look different. Tides would weaken, climates would shift, and nights would feel strangely empty. You'd see more stars, sure, but the world would feel lonelier, like something big was missing. Because, well, it is. And humans, being humans, would definitely freak out. News channels would lose their minds. TikTok would be flooded with or bring back the moon challenges. Scientists would scramble to launch artificial satellites to simulate its effects, basically trying to build a fake moon. Spoiler, that wouldn't work very well. Eventually, Earth might find a new rhythm, slower, darker, colder. But evolution would have to start over in many ways. Animals would adapt, humans would survive, we always do, but the world would feel off balance. Because here's the thing, the moon doesn't just orbit us, it balances us. It's the quiet guardian of our planet, stabilizing, protecting, influencing everything from tides to time itself. Take it away, and Earth keeps spinning, but life loses its rhythm. So next time you look up at the moon, don't take it for granted. It's not just a glowing rock in the sky. It's a reminder that even silence in space has purpose. Because sometimes the things that seem small, the ones we barely notice, are actually holding everything together. If you liked this video, could you give us a like, share, and subscribe? And click that notification bell so you don't miss the next crazy question.